Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech with a touch of excitement. Today, we have something truly special for those who crave power, durability, and performance in a smartphone. Meet the Oukitel K6000 Pro. This beast of a phone is more than just a device, it's a powerhouse wrapped in a sleek and sturdy body, ready to keep up with your daily adventures. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery, you can say goodbye to battery anxiety and enjoy uninterrupted usage for days on a single charge. Whether you're a traveler, gamer, or someone who just needs a reliable phone, this device promises to outlast and outperform many competitors in its class. And it's not just about battery life. The K6000 Pro supports fast charging, ensuring that even with its huge battery, you won't be waiting around for long.